is Flo from Futilities and More, and today's video is about my favorite products of 2011. This video is going to be very long, so I have to split that into 2 or 3 parts because I will talk about a lot of things. So let's start, and I will talk about that a little bit closer, and I will show you some close-up and some swatches at the same time. To start, this is a quick view of my lip products. Let's get closer now. For lipstick, I will start by nude shades. After that, we have some medium ones. And to finish, we have some bold colors. Next, we have some lip pencils. And to finish, we have the lip glosses, and it goes from neutral and nude colors to medium and to bright colors. The first lipstick is a nude color, and this is Ferrous Nude from L'Oreal. I love this color because it is not too pale, so it gives you a fresh look and something really natural. One thing I dislike about this lipstick is the strong scent. Next, we have another nude shade, and this is from MAC this time, and this is in the shade Blankety. I love this lipstick because it is creamy and the coverage is maximum. What I like the most is the brownish pink color, and I think this is really perfect for natural dark lips like mine. Next, we have a lipstick from Revlon, and this is a lip butter, and this is in the shade Pink Truffle. I like this shade because it's something really natural. This is a mauvey tone, and this is very easy to wear for everyday life, and this is also very moisturizing. The second medium color is from MAC, and this is Cream in Your Coffee. I love this brownish mauve color because it gives you a very elegant look, and I think this lipstick is perfect for everyday life and also for night looks. This shade is perfect for every occasion. The last medium shade is from Lancôme, and this is Color Design, and the shade is Vintage Rose. I love that because this is something really natural, subtle, and the hydration is really good. Now we are going to talk about bright colors, and this lipstick is from Lancôme, and this is French Touch Absolu, and what I like the most is the packaging because this is the most gorgeous one, and this lipstick is a red color, and this is in the shade Saint Honoré. I think this lipstick is perfect for beginners or for young people and for people who are a little bit afraid of bold colors, because this is a sheer tone and this is very pretty and moisturizing. The next color is from MAC, and this is in the shade Impassionné, and as you can see, this is a fuchsia color, and I think this is really pretty, and for summer or spring this is the perfect color. To finish with the lipstick, this is another one from MAC, and this is a deep red color in a matte finish. I love that because this is really elegant and very pigmented. Now these are some swatches and some tests. I am going to start by the nude shades. The first one is Ferrous Nude from L'Oreal, and this is a drugstore product. The second one is from MAC, and this is Blankety. As you can see, this is very similar to Ferrous Nude, but this is a little bit lighter. Next, we have the medium shades. The first one is Revlon Lip Butter, and this is in Pink Truffle, and this is also a drugstore product. It has some brownish undertone, and this is really warm and very natural. Next, this is my favorite medium color, and this is from MAC, Cream in Your Coffee. Now this is Lancôme Color Design in Vintage Rose. It has some really subtle iridescent effects. finish, these are my bold shade, and I'm going to start with this French Touch Absolute from Lancôme in Saint Honoré. Next we have Impassioned It from MAC, and this is a gorgeous fuchsia color. I did a tutorial about this lipstick because it is quite difficult to apply this kind of bold color, so if you are interested you can check out my video on my channel. Then we have a MAC lipstick, and this is Russian Red. Now these are my 3 favorite lip glosses, and it goes from nude shade, medium and bold. My favorite white color is from NARS, and this is a pretty raspberry color, and this is in the shade Place Vendôme. I love it because this is extremely pigmented and it has a full coverage. The second one is a medium tone, and this is in the shade Como. I love that also because the shade is really easy to wear, and also it has a full coverage. The last lip gloss is a nude shade, and I love that because it is really moisturizing. This is from Jouer, and this is in the shade Wind. I love to use that on top of my lip pencil. Now these are some swatches and tests. This is Place Vendôme from NARS. If you like lacquered and glossy finish, this is perfect for you, and the shade is really gorgeous. Next we have Como from NARS, and this is a medium shade, and this is also very pigmented and also with a full coverage. Finish with the lip glosses. This is Jouer in Wind, and this is a nude shade. Moving on to lip pencil, this is a lip pencil from Buxom. This is in the shade New Orleans, and this is a really pretty peachy pink color. It just gives me a fresh look and add a little bit of color and pop to my lips. Next, this is my favorite lip pencil, and this is Spice from MAC. I love that because it gives me a really spicy and really warm lips, and it really enhances my skin color. Now these are some swatches and tests. I love this pinky shade because I think this is really feminine and girly. Next we have Spice from MAC, and I love this warm shade, and I think this really enhances my skin tone. Moving to nail polishes, these are a view of all the colors that I love this year. It was really difficult to pick up this color because I have so many nail polishes that I love during the year, but those ones are my favorites. The first one is from Zoya, and this is Shea. It is a full coverage and it has some pearls in it, but very discreet. The second one is from Essie in the shade Mambo. I love the shade because it is neutral and it gives me some definition. Next we have Whitney from Julep, and I love this taupey shade. The next one is Lacquered Up from Essie, and this is a red tomato color. And another red color but with some shimmers, and this is Nicole from Julep, and this is perfect for winter, I think. Next, this is Midnight in Moscow from OPI, and this is a purple brown color that I really love this winter. We have some gold glitters, and we have some holographic ones and some very fine. Moving on to hairstyling tools, I have 3 favorite products this year. My hot waters were very low this year because I use them almost every week, and it is really convenient because it's really quick to install all the waters, and after that you let that during perhaps 15 minutes during your makeup, and when you remove that you have very nice natural wavy curls. It also comes with some accessories, and this is really handy, especially to hold your hair and also to help you to attach them in your scalp. Next we have my curling tools, and the first one was very cool because it is thick and it helps me to create very natural and wavy effects, so this is something that I really like. The second tool is very nice to have more defined curls but still very natural and wavy. This tool comes with a glove, but the glove is absolutely horrible because it only has 3 fingers and it doesn't protect the rest of your hand, so be careful because you really can be hurt with the tool. To finish with my favorite products of 2011, these are my hair treatments. The first treatment is from Amika, and this is specially made for treated hair, so it is really nice to nourish my hair and it gives me a silky finish. And I also appreciate the scent, which is divine. The last product is from NYX, and this is Real Prodigious. I love this product because it is very versatile. It helps me to hydrate my face, my body and my hair. As usual, all the products I mentioned today are listed and linked on my blog, so yeah, don't hesitate to take a look because it will be easier for you to find them. And of course, read my blog because there are so many other reviews or tutorials and other things which are really interesting. I hope this video will be helpful and that it will give you some good ideas to things to try out this year. And don't hesitate to let me a comment about your favorite products this year because I am always interested to find new things. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you will like this video and see you next time.